Black Physicians of Utah is presenting the Juneteenth 5K Freedom Run Walk with a fun-filled and active morning encouraging wellness and fitness in the community. Here to tell us more about this is Dr. Richard Ferguson. Welcome.
Thank you for having me.
So tell me how you came up with this idea.
Well, it started because BPOU cares about the health of our community. Yes, we are often focused on Black and marginalized groups, but we care about the health of all Utahns, and particularly heart disease. So I said, well, why not combine our interests of health education and trying to educate on how to reduce heart disease risk and combine that with celebrating our freedoms for all. That is the greater purpose and meaning of Juneteenth.
And not everybody has to run the 5K, right?
You can walk. You can also just register so you can get our nice fancy Juneteenth Freedom 5K medal. And also you'll see an opportunity for our Black men's fitness group, Brothers That Run. So you'll be able to purchase this t-shirt as well if you are able to attend. But yes, DJ, light refreshments, and it's in the morning for a purpose because it's going to be a long day filled with activities throughout our state, throughout that particular weekend proceeding. And why not cap off the recognized public holiday with a little bit of walking, running, stretching, and maybe a little dancing so we can celebrate what unifies us all, which is freedoms that we all share as Americans on Juneteenth.
Yeah, that's one of the things that I love about your organization. You guys do lots of these 5Ks throughout the year, inviting the community, and it's very open, non-judgmental. I was one of the walkers, I'll admit that, but it's just an uplifting event for the whole family, right?
Oh yeah, bring your kids, bring everyone. I mean, we're talking little babies, those if you need to use a cane, come out. And also for our top 3 finishers, for men and women, there will be a prize. And also we'll have a bit of a raffle too. So there will be an opportunity for not only to have a race medal, grab a t-shirt, have some light bites, but also you can win a prize.
All right, well, thanks so much for sharing this information with us. And if you would like to participate in the Black Physicians of Utah Juneteenth Freedom 5K, you can sign up at bpou.org.